Don't stop. Could bring a friend on your mind now.
We're packing to go, y'all. Yo, we was chopping it up. We had, listen, we were spilling tea. We were trauma dumping. Yo, but this was fun. 10 out of 10. You see, you need to grab your friend and take it, right, take it to the beach. Let's do something spontaneous. Y'all in the club, mad bro. Yo.
This ain't my first time on the road. I got nothing to go. It ain't a thing to me. It's two we all in one.
So I just came home after working. Ugh, even seeing that makes me sick, bro. Like, no, I don't want to work, but these bills gotta get paid. So I just came home, about to shower, I'm about to clean up my house a bit because I have a collab video I'm doing today. And yeah, so I'm not gonna say who it is, y'all just gonna watch it. And yeah, today's video should be very interesting. I'm like dying, bro, for real. But I'm about to shower and film a little behind the scenes because I'm filming a video for my channel and a video for his channel. So we're doing a mukbang together for his, and I'm going to be putting him in the hot seat for mine. So it's gonna get spicy. It's gonna get spicy. So let me just shut up and let me get myself together.
Now, this question, you could plead the fifth. You know, I could go to the next question. But just to let you know, after this question, it gets
It's
more
super spicy.
and more.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, what's your body count? Don't we want to know the deets?
I plead the fifth. I plead the fifth.
Okay. Question number 5. Does it curve?
No. What the heck? Wait, did people ask these or did you write this?
No, I wrote them down.
Oh.
I really wrote them down.
It's a little too spicy. Nah.
No, fuck no. No. Fuck
So
no.
I just finished filming. I'm about to edit, and that video is coming out tomorrow, so check it out. His video is also being uploaded. I have to tell him when. I'm about to push him, y'all, because excuse me, he gotta get on that. But his video will be uploaded soon. He has posted videos over there, so go subscribe. And yeah, so I'm about to get ready for bed. I'm about to pray, brush my teeth, and then I'm about to edit this video. So I decided to get McDonald's. I don't eat McDonald's, but when I do, I just get literally like chicken nuggets. So yeah. It's so hot, bro. It's so hot. It started raining. I'm done. This weather is caca. I'm on my way home right now. Oh yeah.
Why you push the car? We're just pushing the car.
I can't get a buy?
No.
Oh, but why? What happened?
Because she why you died. Try again.
Listen to me, you little critter. You listen to me. You listen to me.
Just
Be
wait
careful.
for the car.
Okay, I will. You want me to call you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna call you. I love you.
Love you.
Do it. I see you later, okay?
Okay.
Stay over there.
Okay.
Okay. Hey guys, good morning. I was rushing, so I didn't get to film my get ready and stuff, but I'm on my way to this casting and I'm very, very excited. This is my outfit. I look dumb cute. Hello Kitty in the mix, yeah. But yeah, so I'm like rushing. I gotta be there by 12. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So I just got out. And you see by the smile of my face, I got approved. Like, who's making moves like me? But I'm about to get something to eat because I'm hungry as fuck, bro. I was there. I mean, well, it didn't take that long because my appointment was at 12 or whatever. So yeah. There's math. Oh, they have pot belly. I'm in there. So I ended up getting cava. First impressions. I got like a wrap. Let me put my bag. Let me put it right here. So, make sure y'all see that. I always wanted to try cava. She's a little wet. I always wanted to try it, but I never got the chance to, so. And if you don't know what cava is, it's like Mediterranean food. So, first impression. Bro, this is so good. I'm about to write this down. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. I put sheets on my bed. I was cleaning my room and I'm about to lay down, do some editing, watch TV, you know, just relax. We're gonna relax today. It was just raining cats and dogs, and then now it's not raining. Typical NYC weather, but yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Today was a really good day and I'm very excited. So excited about, you know, what this chapter is gonna become. Sorry y'all, like, y'all can't see it, but look, all of that and all of this and this, bro, PMSing to the max. Like, if you're not a girl, please, like, just stay the way you are. Like, and I don't know, I might get some heat from this, right? I don't understand why like, how can I explain it? Okay, you see how like transgenders, right, they go to like male to female, okay, cool, but like, you had it easy. Like, imagine you were born a girl. First of all, girls are automatically expensive, like right off the bat expensive. Even if you try your hardest to the littlest, like low maintenance, bro, mad expensive. Then you get periods until you're like, what, 65, like, bro. And then on top of that, you have conditions like PCOS. It's just a lot. It's a lot. So like, don't get me wrong, I'm all for the gays, I'm all for it, okay, but it's like, you had it easy, bro. You had it easy. So I'm going to edit this video and upload it so you guys can get some content. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for watching, tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment if you want to. But it helps me a lot. And my social medias are always down below. Y'all know that. So tune in. Don't mind this, y'all. I did laundry yesterday and like it wasn't really dried correctly, so I just put it here. Yeah, these are my boxers. But yeah, I'll see you. Bye.